Okay, today I'm going to show you how to add ringtones to your iPhone 4 or 3GS or 3G. You can follow the same steps whether you're on running Mac OS 10 or Windows 7. You're going to want to open up your internet browser and go to audico.net. And you click here on upload. You can upload the file that you want. It can be any MP3. And I will be back in a minute. It's going to scan the wavelengths of the song, and that should take a couple of seconds. Once that's done, you can select which area of the song you want to listen to, your ringtone, and hit create ringtone. Once it's done, it'll bring you here. You just go to skip this step, and there it is, one trick pony. So you could just go ahead and click on download, and it'll save it to your hard disk. I've already brought mine here. What you're going to want to do is open up iTunes, bring it into your ringtones, on your device, ringtones, select sync all ringtones and hit the sync. Once that's finished syncing, you can find it on your general settings. When you go to settings, hit sounds, and your ringtones. And that's a trick. Enjoy it. My name is Mac Aurelius.